If your crochet stitches look uneven, stiff, or too loose, the problem might not be your yarn or hook. It might be something called the golden loop. When you learn how to control the golden loop, your stitches will become more even. I will demonstrate for the single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitches. Let's get started. When you pull the golden loop too tight, it will rest on the neck of the hook, and the result will be a stiff stitch. Let me show you the correct way. The loop should sit comfortably on the shaft of the hook. This is all you have to remember. Pulling the loop too high gives you loose stitches. Each time you change the height of the golden loop as you crochet, the stitch height changes too. Hence, the uneven stitches. For half double crochet, keep your golden loop medium and consistent. It's also important to note that some patterns may ask you to adjust your loop height slightly so that you change the texture of the stitch. For the double crochet, the golden loop needs to be taller so that the stitch has enough height. If too short, the stitch will look squashed. If too tall, the stitch will create gaps. The loop should be a little taller and balanced. Now that you know how to control the golden loop, your stitches should start looking more consistent and even. Save this video and you can always refer to it later when you're practicing your stitches or working on your next crochet project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.